Morning everyone, so we're up nice and early, just getting ready at the moment. As you can see, Mel's making herself look beautiful. She doesn't come out of the box beautiful, unfortunately. She takes a while. So yeah, I've got to just go wake up the boys. They went out last night, so we'll go find out what sort of condition they're in. Flippin' hell, it's bright today, very bright. Here they come. Morning. How you feeling? Hey? It stinks in here of alcohol and feet and just boy.
Robert's downstairs, Robert's gone to get something to eat. I've got the biggest headache in the world and my stomach is just...
And you've got the TV on that loudly and you've got a headache.
I can't even hear it.
Hey?
I can't even hear it.
Hey? Right. Well, start getting ready. Have some paracetamol.
Really have it.
And you've only got yourself to blame.
Morning! How are you? You very hungover?
Yeah, he's exceptionally hungover. Look at the socks. I mean, that's how hungover he is. He hasn't even folded his socks over or nothing. Bearing in mind you're going to be wearing flip-flops, why have you got socks on?
I know, I don't know why.
What time did you come home?
Oh dear.
2 o'clock?
So they came home at 2 in the morning. And it is now 9:35. So you've had, what, 7.5 hours sleep? So stop bloody whinging, get up and get ready. We're going to go get something to eat. So, we'll see you soon. Bye! Bye!
Where's Bobby?
Bob's gone down to get something to eat. Bye! Did he look very well? No. I love how our room smells of deodorant and bananas because of the all of these smell like banana. I don't know if you can see, banana boat. They make all of these smell like bananas, and theirs smells like feet and alcohol. Their room, yum. Yeah, I'm gonna take, this is my Water Parks cup. It's like refillable, so you pay $6
9.
and
I think it was 9.
no, it's $9 for that.
Yeah.
And then for another day of refilling it is $6.
Okay.
So it's actually really good value. Yeah, so we'll see you shortly. We're just about to go grab something to eat, and we might be able to find Bobby stumbling about somewhere. We'll see. Right, so we've just had some breakfast and we're about to head off out. Me and Mel have already sun creamed up, which is probably why I'm looking exceptionally greasy. I promise it's not sweat. Unfortunately, I'm probably not going to have much footage with my GoPro today, purely because I forgot to charge it last night like a complete wazzock, and the other battery for some reason won't hold charge. It'll film for about, I don't know, 10 minutes max, and then it will just die. So I don't think it's really going to be any good. Well, I'm still going to take it, but I wouldn't hold your breath. Bobby is taking his GoPro, so hopefully we'll get some footage of that with that. But again, I wouldn't hold your breath. Sean's not feeling particularly fantastic this morning, so I highly doubt he's going to go on Summit Plummet like he claimed. So yeah, we will see you down there, and should get a little bit of footage later on tonight. I think again we're going to just be lazy, probably go down to the bar if anything, but it depends how tired we are. Like I said before, you come here for a holiday, but you end up absolutely exhausted purely because of the amount of time you're walking around, swimming, diving about, and just being silly. So yeah, it's we'll see how we get on. It looks really hot and sunny out today, so I'm factor 70, just because I don't want to get burnt again. Hopefully the lads will be doing the same, but I've given up telling them now because they never listen. So we'll see how we get on. Bye! So we just arrived at Blizzard Beach. Bob's got his sunglasses sorted. He's got some much nicer looking ones as well for the same price, so happy days. And yeah, I just thought I'd show Sean what he will be going on. So you see the really tall one over there?
Yeah.
The really tall one?
That's Summit Plummet.
That's Summit Plummet.
Oh
no, look!
Last night.
Look! The little baby's melting.
Are you gonna go right now?
Yeah.
Because I don't think there's somebody.
That's awful. Look! Poor little baby's melting. We'll get a photo, yeah? So Sean, are you still gonna do it? No. Bob, are you gonna do it?
Oh yes.
So Bob's gonna do it, Sean isn't. So we're about to head off now, it's about 2:30ish. Really didn't enjoy Blizzard Beach, so we're gonna shoot back to the hotel, and there's a spa just down the road, so me and Mel are gonna go there. The boys are gonna stay here, so we'll just see them a bit later on. So we'll catch up with you in a bit. Right, so we're back at the hotel now. We're not going to the spa in the end because it turns out it's ridiculously expensive no matter which spa we go to. Oh, sorry, casually zooming in. So yeah, I didn't get any more footage of while we were waiting for the bus or on the bus at all, and that it really came down heavily. And the bus driver was driving like a complete plonker, and it was making me feel sick. So I had to just concentrate on not throwing up because yeah, it's mental. I can go on roller coasters, go upside down, get chucked about, everything like that. As soon as I get into a car and the bloke doesn't know how to drive, that's it. I feel like I'm gonna vomit. Hi guys, so we found a traditional English pub that we're going to eat at because the yeah, it's called The Pub. We had a look at a few places and they were either fully booked because they were a really posh looking grill which had their own chauffeurs for the cars and that lot, or didn't really look very nice. We went to another bar before this one called The Fish, The Big Fish or something along them lines, and both of us are slightly tipsy now because we ordered
Big cocktail.
well, we ordered a cocktail not expecting it to be like over a pint, and Mel's one was light rum and dark rum and some orange juice pretty much. Mine was rum, vodka, and a few other things, and they were enormous. And so yeah, we didn't like the look of the food there, so we didn't eat the food there. But the drinks, yeah, we were feeling a little bit wobbly. But I've got myself a little Dugetoled, and Mel's got herself a rosé. And yeah, we're just having a look at the moment, and I've noticed some interesting choices on here. So we have the usual shepherd's pie, bangers and mash, and then we were having a look down here, and I found cheese bollocks. Apparently you can eat, over here, you can eat cheese bollocks. Do they sound good?
Not really.
No?
We'll try and have a cheeseburger with bacon.
Yeah, so they have burgers and it's select your favourite, so we've gone for the traditional style, and then it says select your style. You've got Classic Pub, Young's Barbecue, Cranberry Apple and Bellhaven. And the Young Barbecue is a bruschetta bun, Young's double chocolate barbecue sauce, which doesn't sound too nice to me, Guinness onions, cheddar and maple bacon. So what I'm going to say is, can I make my own style, and can I have a traditional with lettuce, cheddar and bacon, and that's it. And Mel's having exactly the same, so we'll get that done soon. All of the shops here are like so expensive, it's not even funny. I mean, I know it's meant to be like a premium outlet and that, but it is so expensive. So Oh yeah, and they've got keep calm and drink wine. There's keep calm everywhere. They're trying very hard to be English. They've even got football on. So yeah, we're gonna try the burgers and see how we get on. So I'm not saying that we're drunk. We're definitely not.
Never.
But I happen to have accidentally chipped my phone screen. Don't know if you can see. There's a chip on my phone screen now. So, and it's all Mel's fault. And Mel, look, I've had half a pint and I also had my other drink. Mel's had like 2 sips of that and she's off her face. Ain't ya?
No, I'm not.
You're very drunk, aren't you?
I'm not.
No?
No?
Touch your finger to your nose.
What?
Mongola. But I love you.
Thank you, I love you too.
So we're going to go back now and try some Guitar Hero. And
I thought you were forgotten by now.
no, why would I forget that? Try some Guitar Hero, have a couple more drinks, and then tomorrow we're off to Hollywood Studios. So we'll see you soon. Bye! So we have discovered this Ben & Jerry's store. So I'm having a large cookie dough, and Mel's having a small cookie dough, and the small is enormous. And also we found there's some outlets here, and there's a Tommy Hilfiger outlet, which is pretty much 70% off of everything. So something you'll be paying 80-90 quid for in England is $20 over here. So yeah, we're gonna get ourselves sorted out with quite a few tops and whatnot. So we're gonna have to be poor for the rest of the holiday just so we can raid that. They've also got a Victoria's Secret and a few bag outlets as well. So yeah, happy days. I think this will be the last input because I'm rather drunk and so is Mel. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.